The future of work is now, baby. Now that restrictions are starting to ease up, people are kind of returning to the office, and we have entered the era of hybrid work. We have put together a series of tips on how to be more productive in a hybrid environment and how to build a more productive hybrid environment for you and those around you. So let's jump in. Starting with yourself, what can you do? Well, number one is align your location with your tasks. Very possible that you feel more distracted at home, or maybe you feel more distracted working at the office where you have colleagues interspersing your work sessions every once in a while. So whatever that is, choose your environment to work on deep tasks wherever you feel less distracted. And when you have tasks where you feel like you can be distracted every once in a while, work from that environment, whatever it might be for you. Number two is honor your feelings. A lot of us feel a lot of trepidation and anxiety about going out or staying home, and whatever you're feeling, go with that, especially if your employer is flexible and you're working in a hybrid environment where you have the choice to go into the office or not. Well, listen to yourself, to your body, to your mind. If you feel like going to the office, being around people, socializing, then do that. But if you feel like you're not up to it, then don't. This isn't the time to overwork yourself, to put yourself in uncomfortable situations. We're past that. That's so 2019. Number three is super practical. Create an office bag. I've put together an office bag where I've got all the stuff I need to have a productive day at the office. That includes my working glasses, it includes my laptop, it includes my snacks, my working notebook. When I wake up and I've decided that today's going to be an office day, I just pick up my office bag and I'm good to go. Number four is very similar. It is to create duplicates. Because there's nothing worse than realizing that you forgot your blank at home or at the office and thus feel like you can't do your best working at the other location. That can be whatever you need to work effectively. For example, laptop chargers. And you know what really helps you stay productive? It's subscribing to this channel. So make sure you're subscribed because we bring you productive tips and hacks on the daily. Number five is respect your colleagues. So be super clear in your communication about where you're going to be, which day, so that your colleagues can be aware and know where to contact you when they need it. Communication is more important than ever. And number six is to embrace the flexibility. It's supposed to work for you, not you working for it. Don't freak out if something isn't going as planned. Roll with the punches, go with the flow, and find your own balance, whatever that means for you. Be okay with the unknown. Moving into our more managerial section about how to design a productive hybrid workspace. This is super helpful for employers, managers, even team leaders, whatever that might be. Number one is to be super clear with expectations. Define what hybrid work means. One of the biggest rates of anxiety is that people don't know what's expected of them post-pandemic. By telling them that, okay, we're embracing a hybrid work format, that's step one. But you really do have to go further. You have to tell them what that means. Does that mean you have full decision choice about whether you come in or you don't? Apple, who are transitioning into a 3 days minimum at the office per week. So be very clear with what you expect means hybrid. Number two is create a routine. In this time when things are more uncertain than ever, then you do need to have situations, those routines to ground the team in certainty. And that could be, for example, a set all hands meeting that happens on the same day at the same time so that people, regardless of which location they're working from, they know what's going to be going on. Number three is being adaptive to team members that are either in the office or working from home. If you've got a in-office happy hour on a Friday, make sure to set up a laptop with video call. Throw in that link to your team members who are working from home so they can join in on the fun as well. Number four is make sure that Number 4 is, if needed, set a maximum of people available in the office daily. It's very possible that where you're living, there might be limits about how many people can be in one place together. So make that explicitly clear and implement systems and tools so that it's easy to keep track of that. I mean, I'm sure there are many tools that you can use, but PSA, you can also use the Desktime scheduling feature for that. Number 5, which is absolutely the most important, is to keep all work in the cloud. Libraries of knowledge available in the cloud means that people can work either from home or from the office. They don't have to be in the office to use specific software. Making sure that all of those tools are available either in the office or at home means that people can really truly work from wherever. That can also mean that they can work by the seaside, which is even enhancing more work-life balance, and isn't that what hybrid work is all about. Those are our practical tips for making hybrid work more productive. We want to know more about what you think we left out. So please comment them below so that we can all become more productive in our hybrid work life. See you next time.